Welcome, cybersecurity enthusiasts, to a journey through the intricate labyrinth of network attack vectors and the OSI model. In the vast digital landscape we navigate daily, understanding these two elements is as crucial as having a compass in an uncharted wilderness. As we wrap up, we encourage you not to forget to subscribe to @demystifytech for more insights into the world of cybersecurity. From the moment we connect to the internet, we expose ourselves to potential threats. Cyber attackers are always on the prowl, exploiting network vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access, disrupt operations, or even steal sensitive data. These attack vectors, or paths that attackers use to penetrate networks, are the lifeblood of their malicious activities. Now, imagine a framework that helps you understand these attack vectors better. Enter the OSI model, a 7-layered conceptual model that provides a systematic approach to understanding how networks operate. Each layer, from physical to application, has its unique function and potential vulnerabilities. Let's dive deeper into the OSI model, peeling back each layer to reveal its purpose, functions, and potential attack vectors. Starting with the physical layer, it deals with the raw transmission of data. At this level, potential attack vectors include tapping, physical tampering, and jamming. Next up is the data link layer, responsible for node-to-node data transfer. Here, potential attack vectors include MAC flooding and ARP spoofing. The third layer is the network layer, managing device addressing and identifying the best path for data transfer. Potential attack vectors at this level include IP spoofing and Smurf attacks. Then we have the transport layer, providing reliable data transfer services. Potential attack vectors here include SYN flooding and session hijacking. Moving on to the session layer, it establishes, manages, and terminates connections between applications. Potential attack vectors include session hijacking and session replay. The sixth layer is the presentation layer, translating data for the application layer. Potential attack vectors here include MIME and content-type attacks. Finally, we reach the application layer, where interaction with software applications occur. Potential attack vectors include cross-site scripting, XSS, and SQL injection. Each layer plays a critical role in network communication and has its unique vulnerabilities. Stay tuned as we explore these layers and their vulnerabilities in more detail. Let's now delve deeper into some real-life examples of network attacks. In this segment, we will examine a couple of notable instances where network attacks specifically targeted certain OSI layers. Firstly, we have the infamous Mirai botnet attack. This malicious software primarily targeted the network and transport layers of the OSI model, turning network devices into bots to carry out large-scale network attacks. The consequences were devastating, with major websites and services experiencing prolonged outages. Another example is the SSL strip attack, which targeted the session layer, manipulating the secure communication between users and websites, leading to data breaches. This attack underlines the importance of encryption and secure communication protocols. These examples underscore how important it is to have robust cybersecurity measures in place. Remember, each layer of the OSI model presents its own vulnerabilities, but also its own opportunities for defense. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and make cybersecurity a priority. Having the right strategies in place and adhering to best practices is the cornerstone of robust network protection. It's time to delve into how you can fortify your network against these attack vectors. First, it's crucial to establish a multi-layered defense strategy. This involves implementing protective measures at each layer of the OSI model. From physical security controls at the physical layer to rigorous encryption protocols at the presentation layer, each level offers a unique opportunity to bolster your network's defenses. Furthermore, regular network audits can help identify potential vulnerabilities and security gaps. By doing so, you can proactively address these issues before they become a target for attackers. On the technical side, consider implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and intrusion prevention systems. These tools can provide real-time monitoring and protection against various attack vectors. Don't forget about the importance of education. Training your team on the latest cybersecurity threats and how to respond to them can drastically reduce the risk of successful attacks. Remember, your team is your first line of defense. Lastly, remember to keep all software and hardware up to date. Regular updates often include security patches that can fix known vulnerabilities. With these strategies in mind, you can better protect your network against various attack vectors. Remember, fortifying your network is a continuous process that requires constant vigilance and adaptation to the ever-evolving threat landscape. As we bring things to a close, let's recap what we've explored today. Keep in mind, getting to grips with network attack vectors and the OSI model lays the groundwork for robust network protection. Stay educated, stay alert, and prioritize cybersecurity.